Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's another GTR update video. Today I'm actually going to be adding some bracing in the trunk. So as you probably already know, the R32 chassis is pretty flimsy, so any additional bracing you can add is going to be beneficial to the car. I've already got front and rear strut tower bars, but I just picked up a Nismo bar that goes in the trunk all the way towards the back, right in front of the taillights. I wasn't going to do a video on this because the install should only take probably 5 minutes or less. But I actually didn't find a whole lot of information out there on the internet, so if you're searching for this, hopefully this video will be helpful for you. I'm not so sure if this is going to make a whole lot of difference just adding this one bar, but I'll put a link in the description to a guy that put one of these in his R33 that felt like it made a lot of difference in terms of stiffening the chassis overall. So who knows, we'll see. Let's get to it. So this is the bar. I ordered it from Right Hand Drive Japan and it showed up in about a week or so because it was in stock, so that's good. This is not an advertisement for Right Hand Drive Japan. I've got my own issues with them. Just letting you know that this is where I ended up getting it from. One of the things that I noticed was kind of weird is that the holes on one side, these ones are circular, but on this side of the bar, they're actually slightly oblong. I don't know why. It doesn't seem to make a whole lot of difference. Comes with hardware and a set of instructions in Japanese, but you'll need these spacers, and then it comes with these 4 bolts. You put these spacers in the trunk and then the bar sits on top of it, just kind of like this, and then the bolts go down in through there and bolt into the chassis. And that's literally it. You're done. Alright, so we're going to be opening the trunk or the boot depending upon what part of the world you live in. But we're going to pull up the carpet here and get access to the back. We're going to take this out. And it looks like we might actually need to do a little bit of cutting, because what you need to have access to are these rubber grommets. You actually have to pull them out to have access to those bolts right there. So I think what I'm going to do is get this one as well on this side. I'm probably going to cut this back a little bit and then pull these both out, and then I'll pick it up from there. Alright, there you go. So get that carved out, we should be good. I'll do the other side now and we'll get started. Alright, I got the bar in here, and Nismo is facing as you would look at the trunk this way. And you can see the bolts, or you can see as it would line up here. Alright, so now I'm going to go grab the spacers and get them tucked up underneath the bar here, and then start bolting everything down. Alright, so this side is on. Now I know why they made this side with these oblong looking holes. It's because once you get this side cinched in, this side becomes a whole lot more difficult trying to get these bolts started down inside there. This side's taking a whole lot longer than the other one. But we'll get done here shortly. Now that I got these cinched down by hand, I'm going to get out the torque wrench and tighten them down. Yeah, so it gives you a range of torque values, and the torque value right in the middle is 30 foot-pounds. So I'm going to get the torque wrench set and torque them down. But this is what it looks like installed now. Everything's bolted down. I'm going to trim the carpet a little bit so that way I can fold the carpet back and get everything put back into place. I'll do that now, and I'll show you the finished product here in just a minute. There it is. Carpet's trimmed and everything's back. All finished. All in all, actually not too bad. It took a little bit longer than I expected just because I was trying to set the camera up and all that kind of good stuff. So I think I finished this in about 15 minutes total, start to finish. I'll get the car started up and I'm going to take it for a drive, and I'll put my impressions in the video right here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.